Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change gamertag on Minecraft Bedrock. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Your gamertag is the name other players see when you're playing online. If you'd like to update it, open Minecraft Bedrock and stay on the main menu where you see options such as Play, Settings, and Realms. From there, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look to the left-hand side and scroll down until you find the account and click on it. Inside the account section, look for the Change Gamertag option and select Open. This will take you to the Xbox account management area. Once the Xbox app or account page opens, click on your profile in the upper left corner and choose View Profile. From there, select the settings option related to your profile information. Next, locate your current gamertag and choose the option to change it. If a browser window opens, make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account that is linked to Minecraft Bedrock. After signing in, look for the edit icon next to your gamertag and click on it. You can now enter the new gamertag you'd like to use. Keep in mind that Microsoft has character limits and naming requirements, so your preferred name may need to be adjusted if it is unavailable or too long. Once you've entered your new gamertag, click Next to continue. It's important to know that Microsoft usually allows one free gamertag change. If you've already used your free change in the past, you'll be required to pay a fee to update it again. If this is your first change, you should be able to proceed without any additional cost. After confirming the change and completing any required steps, your new gamertag will be applied to your Microsoft account and reflected in Minecraft Bedrock. And that's it! So that's basically how you can change gamertag on Minecraft Bedrock. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.